So I'm making a pollinator habitat like this one. We've had this one for a couple years now, and it gets a lot of action and activity. You can see the little packed holes where solo bees will come and use it as a nesting. So I've gathered some of this river reed. We have an abundance in our area. It's invasive, so gather and use. You want a piece that's about as long as your finger or a little longer, and want to make sure it's open on one end. I'm just cutting the pieces that I need, and about the width of a cigarette is a good width, but if you have some that are too small or too big for the bees to use, they will certainly work nicely as filler. So I'm just clipping off these extra pieces that are and if you have pieces that have a closed back end, you just want to make sure all of those end up on one side of your collection. Just really trimming these up, and see I've got that that joint right there, so I want to make sure that this joint ends up on the same side, and that'll be the back side. So I'm going to gather them all up, and then you can put them in anything that'll hold them together. I have this paper towel tube that I've cut in half. I went ahead and cut 2 slits there. I just folded it in half and cut right there. And I'm going to use the other half. I cut 1 slit down, and just to make it a little stronger, I'm just going to kind of roll it and stick it in here. You can certainly build something out of wood that will last a lot longer, but these last several seasons. And then I just want to drop them down in there. And you may have to cut a few more to fill it, but you want to keep filling it until it's packed good and tight. So I'm just going to keep on putting them in there until I can't fit anymore. So try another little one. Get in there. And I'm going to pack them all to the front end, and then I'm just going to close up my back end. So once I've picked out whichever end is going to be my front end, I want to make sure I've got joints in the back, and I can clip it and then just close it up. Or if you get it really good and packed, you can just tie a string around it and hang it outside or stuff it in a tree somewhere. The bees tend to like a nice sunny spot.